जय श्रीमन्नारायण। श्रीमद्भगवद्गीता 10th chapter विभूति विस्तर योगमु 6th श्लोक। गीताचार्य श्रीकृष्ण परमात्मा giving his teachings to each and every one of us, including Arjuna. Krishna Paramatma saying that, Arjuna, in previous Manvantaram, the responsibility to do everyday Srushti is given to Sapta Rishis, and everyday Rakshana, the protection responsibility, is given to 4 Manus. So these Sapta Rishis and Manus, they were brought out by me through Chaturmukha Brahma's Sankalpam. Oh Arjuna, now the entire population, what we see today is, came out from those Rishis and Manus. And those Rishis, Manus, they act according to my thought, according to my sankalpam, they behave and they act. Like that, Sri Krishna Paramatma declaring that everything happens according to his sankalpam. Having Krishna Paramatma's teachings running in our thoughts, now let us repeat Sri Krishna Paramatma's words as it is. महर्षयः सप्तपूर्वे चत्वारो मनवस्तथा मद्भावा मानसा जाता येषां लोक इमाः प्रजाः Om. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, in 18th chapter, from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if you do these 8 things, you will become my most beloved devotee, and I shall liberate you from all kind of sins. Now, let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on meditating upon you. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my prescribed duties as your service. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging, and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall not cry anymore. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least 1 Gita sloka. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Srimannarayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpataror galitam phalam सुखमुखादमृतद्रवसंयुतं पिबत भागवतं रसमालयं मुहुरहो रसिका भुवि भावुकाः. नमस्कारं टु श्रीसुखयोगीन्द्र. यं प्रव्रजन्तमनुपेतमपेतकृत्यं द्वैपायनो विरहकातर आजुहाव पुत्रेति तन्मयतया तरवो विनेदुः तं सर्वभूतहृदयं मुनिमानतोऽस्मि. नमस्कारं टु नरनारायण, चतुर्मुखब्रह्मा, सरस्वतीदेवी, व्यासमहर्षि. नारायणं नमस्कृत्य नरं चैव नरोत्तमं देवीं सरस्वतीं व्यासं ततो जयम् उदीरयेत्. In Srimad Bhagavatam Tritiya Skandham, Suta Mahamuni giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukha Yogindra giving his teachings to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, Maitreya teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Vidura, saying that, O Vidura, Chaturmukha Brahma, saying to Devatas like this, O Devatas, Sanaka, those 4 children, they were crossing 7th gate in Sri Vaikuntha Lokam. Usually, those 4 children are very powerful and there will be no restriction for them to go anywhere. But at that 7th gate, those 2 security guards, Dwarapalakas, they have seen these 4 children who were about 5-year-old and who has no clothing on their body. Then those 2 Dwarapalakas, Vetrena cha asthalayatam, with their sticks, they stopped these Sanaka 4 children. And these 4 children should not be neglected like that. But Devatas, these Dwarapalakas doesn't know about that. With their eyes, they almost said, stop there, to those 4 children. This kind of behavior of those 2 Dwarapalakas would not be giving any kind of good feeling to even Paramatma also. Paramatma also would not like that. Now, that particular scene was seen by all the Devatas. Everybody was witnessing that. These Sanaka 4 children were very much eager to have Paramatma Darsanam. They were going inside Sri Vaikuntham, inside the 7th Prakaram. At that time they were stopped. They were neglected. They were insulted. Those Sanakas felt that, and with that kind of insult, their eyes became red. And now Sanaka, those 4 children were thinking like this, who are these 2 Dwarapalakas? How come in Sri Vaikuntha Lokam this kind of people are here? Usually, whoever is there in Sri Vaikuntham will have very good behavior. And everybody here in Vaikuntha Lokam is very much engaged in Paramatma Seva. Then there is no need of suspecting anyone here in Sri Vaikuntham. And also, this entire universe is there within the heart of Paramatma. Then where is the question of saying that you can go to Paramatma, you cannot go to Paramatma? There is no any kind of differentiation. Everybody has equal right to approach Paramatma. Like this, Sanaka, those 4 children were contemplating on this. What happens next? We will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishna rakshatu no jagatraya guruhu Krishnam namasyamyaham. Krishne namarasitravo vinihataha. Krishnaya tasmai namaha. Krishnadeva samuthitam jagadidam. Krishnasya dasosmyaham. Krishne tishtati visvametadakhilam. He Krishna samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita 10th chapter 6th sloka. Maharshayah saptapurve chatvaro manavastadha madbhava manasa jataha yesham loka imah prajaha. Maharshayah saptapurve chatvaro manavastadha madbhava manasa jataha yesham loka imah prajaha. Srimannarayana karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.